I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in a room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got the gas, they running the fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. Put it down, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing food.
I'm working on a Porsche Cayenne Turbo. It's a 24 model. And we're doing a full front plus the roof. It's got a carbon roof on it. They want to keep it protected.
This is what he wanted it to look like?
No.
Barbie and Oppenheimer?
Yeah.
Well, I'm a guy. There's gonna be some stereotypical things, but I think Barbie was the better movie. My
Really?
towel's gone.
Okay. Why?
Huh?
Why?
Follow me. Barbie was a lot better. It was a lot like more exciting compared to Oppenheimer.
Wait, what? What'd you call
Oppen
it?
Mid?
What was it up in mid? Why?
Because it's mid.
What was
Even though it says 96% on Rotten Tomatoes, it was mid. Like I was back in history class. It was really boring.
Oh, really?
Besides the music, like the scores that they call it, the score,
Yeah.
the soundtrack, that was probably the only thing that was good.
Mm.
And then the actors, bro. There's so many freaking actors. I'm talking about like Academy Award winning actors just used in a scene for like 5 minutes. Cut the camera.
Good to hear.
You know who Rami Malek is?
Yeah.
Bro, they literally used him for like a 5-minute scene.
Oh, he's an Oscar winner too, right?
Yeah, and they just
Yeah.
used him for 5 minutes. When he came in, bro, he took the show away.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We're gonna start Anthony's movie reviews on the channel.
Dude, there's a lot of people that do that stuff. Movie reviews?
Yeah.
We can no longer be hateful to each other.
Let me be hateful?
No hatefulness. We're taking different routes.
We're taking different routes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
It's all about motivating and bringing each other up. Right, Georgie?
That's right.
What I learned. You're gonna be on the Trail of Tears with a bad blanket soon. I'm telling you, Trail of Tears coming. I ain't gonna be on no trail. He called the truce for a reason.
How about our peace treaty?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just trying to change my ways.
Be more positive.
Well, I don't want to talk too much anymore.
Hey.
Gets tiring. Then everybody gangs up on you. I'm done.
On you? Everyone gets the point. Not the new guy?
Everybody hates.
We were at the gym yesterday and it was packed. And we're looking for a bench and we found one, so we're walking and we're like from here to the plotter, and this guy from like where Kevin is just throws his duffel bag, claims the bench. So we're like, alright.
You know what that means? You ain't got no status at the gym.
Not yet. Not yet. They see the love handles. They know I'm all love.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Another beautiful day in the life. Got some beautiful gentlemen. Or should I say handsome? Look at all these handsome gentlemen and fantastic, fabulous cars. Tesla, Corolla GR, third one this week. Million Teslas. New Camaro ZL1. Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Carbon fiber. Morning, guys.
Morning.
Everybody's getting down. How we do it. That's what I like to see.
What else you got going on today?
Well, I don't have a lot going on, but the new HQ, things are really happening. We'll go check it out today. Tyler is talking to gentlemen about some type of modern little small houses that they sell for us to start tinting all of them. He wanted us to come out there, but I didn't think that was a good idea because we're in our first phases of making a deal on tinting these small houses. What they do is they just manufacture them there over here in Garland somewhere, and they ship the house to different places. You buy it and they ship it. The glass and everything's already in it, so we would tint it over here in Garland, and it would get shipped somewhere else. And it's a small home. It's actually really cool. Hopefully we can get some of those on video in the future if that all goes through. And we're just doing what we do. Stay tuned for more fun.
Wait.
Going down, shrinking and shaping the doors here so they fit seamlessly. Back window shaped, one full piece. This whole thing is one piece. It requires a 5-foot roll. Most tint shops don't carry that in stock. We stock it in every film, every shade, so we can do it properly with one piece. As you can see how big that is even after it's cut and shaped. It's about to go on here. That is one piece. Watch that liner come on. A lot of people will tell you they do it properly and whatnot, but they're doing it in 2 pieces because it costs less for inventory and it's much easier to install that way. All right, it's time for another shop walkthrough. This week we have a Bronco and another Defender here. The Bronco is getting window tint done. Looks like it's completed. This Defender got stealth paint protection film from the Land Rover body shop. Part of it was damaged, so we had to, it got an accident. When it gets an accident, they fix the vehicle and we put the paint protection film back on. So it got a door, quarter panel, and back tailgate with stealth paint protection film installed. This Toyota Corolla GR got a full IR window tint and a full front paint protection film package. I think we just have to touch it up and wash it before they pick it up. And we have a Tesla actually behind here that we just finished a full IR tint on. That is a Model 3. If you want to come on back, check it out. Full front windshield, sunroof, sides and back. We always get those gaps tight on those frameless windows. And we'll just come this way. We got another Model 3 right here. This one also got window tint. They're going to pick it up today. We're talking about doing the pull back window earlier on this one in one piece. Most shops don't offer that, and they don't offer every roll in that size. So you got to watch out for that. Make sure they're doing it right. And this one just got dropped off. Brand new 24 Audi RSQ8. It's gonna get a full body paint protection film package. We'll probably start on it tomorrow once there's room inside the shop to get working on it. It's gonna take a lot. It's getting the windows tinted as well. We're gonna do the windshield and everything on that one. So we're excited to start on that. Let's go inside and see what's going on. All right, we're in the shop. We got our friend Town North Mazda getting 2 doors. Ivan's getting that taken care of. Looky here, I don't know if you remember last week's episode, but we had a Honda in here getting a strip and retint because they get the crappy tint from the dealership that the dealership gives them. Well, there's another one in here. It's gotta be the same thing. Crappy tint, after a few years it's gone, it's messed up, so we're removing it. They're paying for it. That's too bad. That's just what happens, you know, when you got a lot of car salesmen just choosing the cheapest product for your vehicle that you're spending your hard-earned money on. That's why you come here. We've got a ZL1 Camaro, brand new, getting a full paint protection film on it, XPEL paint protection film, full body. The guys are at lunch right now. This thing's sick. We did a full window tint on it on every window as well. This car is nice when it's on the ground, when everything's shut, and it's a monster too. Love that car. Let's do a gap check. We just did this car. Yep, up to standard as usual. Check your other tinters and see if theirs is too. We've got this Porsche Cayenne Coupe Turbo. It's also getting paint protection film on it and ceramic tint job as well. This thing is sick. That is one of my favorite colors right there. And, these new Cayennes, they have the dash out of the Taycan now, or at least similar, the Porsche Taycan electric car. So this thing is fire. Check that out. It's hard to beat a Porsche, one of the best cars out there. Well, that's what we got in the shop. All right, so we're back in the new HQ. I'm gonna run you through a couple things going on over the next week and what we've done so far within the last week. This tile came in these boxes right here. That tile looks like, well, I guess it's not like, I don't think it's this, I think it's still boxed up, but it does look kind of like that, about the same size. It'll be going on this whole back wall right here and all the way up that wall over there to the doorway, and I will be putting glass up on these walls for window tint and PPF, so we can put the film up there on top of the tile, kind of remnants of our old shop and how we had that tile everywhere in the glass. So that wall will be fully tiled, and I think it's going to be a nice touch, nice contemporary touch. Tile is in, and I think you saw last time they also put the grout down in here. Come check out these bathrooms. This is coming along pretty nice. That's a shower. There's gonna be a sink, a restroom, of course. But you get the idea, it's gonna look sick. Every bathroom is gonna be fully tiled like that. I believe those are the sinks. Oh, yep, 6 sinks. Mirrors. The toilets. And the hardware for the cabinets and doors. All that will be out eventually soon. This is the break room. We've got the cabinets going in, the new LG refrigerator, water, ice machine, filtered. We will be hanging a microwave as well somewhere over here in this area. There will be a microwave. All this will be custom built in. Quartz countertop, sink. It's coming along. These bathrooms still need to get tiled, so still a lot of work to do. So as you can see, we got the front entrance, lobby, waiting area. The tiles going down here as well. We've got our chandeliers up, our lights. It's coming along. So we got these lights right here put in, and another strip on the very end wall. Oh, I only have half of the lights on right now, so it's fairly bright. But for your quality control and really seeing what's going on, it hurts your eyes. It's a lot of lights. It's like 135 lights or something just in here.
Why do you need so much light?
Well, it's best to see every defect or imperfection in our film and the paint. So when we click those lights on that bright, it's brighter than a paint booth. You know, we can really see what's in the paint before we apply the film versus what's in the film. And if we need to redo something, quality control, we have the lights to light up the city, it seems like,
Yeah.
to see the moon. Well, that's pretty much all I got for this week. Hopefully we got some more cool stuff next week. We'll go back to the store.
I got the rear back here.
Thank you.
Ya está.
Oscar. I did third. Bro, you jokes all fucking night. 90 canceled?
So usually we talk about vision, goals, and targets. I wanted to elaborate on that, on how those can actually make your life better and make you happy. Most people don't realize that they wake up every day and they're unhappy and they just go through life trying to get through the day without any goals, without any visions. And I just want to tell you guys, like, what do you want? What do you want? Write down, what do you want? Think about it. Think hard and write it down, because when you realize what you want, you can get up every day and know why you're working, what you're working towards, whatever that is. If it's being a better sports player, you know, you're gonna have to get up every day and practice. You know what you want, you know why you're doing it, because you have a goal to be, you know, a higher level sports athlete of some type, or business, or money, a car, a house, supporting your family. It's so important to have a goal. Even if you want like an exotic car, right? Everybody wants an exotic car. How are you gonna get it? How are you gonna get there? It's not gonna be just by making more money, because if you spend all your money, you'll never be able to save something up to invest it, to create a business or create something for IRA, stocks, whatever it is, real estate. You've got to have a goal and you got to know what you're working towards. So I hope that makes sense. Get some paper, write it down, think about this, and work towards it. Ask somebody. You know, you got people like me. There's people, everybody, you know, everywhere willing to help you. If you just show that you want to be helped and you're interested and you're going to do something about it. So like, subscribe, see you next week. Ring the bell, write down your vision, write down your goals. Everyone have a great one.